In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your address on Shopee. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in shopee.ph. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Shopee. Or you can also open the Shopee application if you want. So if you want to change your address, what you have to do is click on your profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find three options over here. Click on this option, My Account. Now after that, you'll be led to your account interface of Shopee. From here, you'll be able to edit your account information. What you have to do is make sure to select this option for My Account. Now under this section, click on this option, Addresses. Now you'll be able to see all of your addresses over here. If you want to change the address, what you can do is simply delete the default address. For that, click on this option, Delete. After you do that, you can click on this option, Add Address, and you'll be able to add the new address. If you want to change the information within the address that you've already added, what you have to do is click on this option, Edit. Now after that, you'll be able to edit the address over here. You'll be able to edit the information like full name, phone number, etc. In order to change the address, what you have to do is click on the field of region, province, city. After that, you can simply select the new region. You can also select the new province, city. Likewise, you can also select the postal code over here. Simply click on the field of postal code and you can enter the new postal code. Likewise, you can also change the street name. For that, erase the initial street name. After you do that, enter the new street name over here. Now you can also change the location via the map. For that, simply click on the map. Now after you do that, place the pin in the location that you would like to change to. Now click on the confirm option. Now click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here the address will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you change your address on Shopee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.